Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down entry points. Update your recovery phone and secondary email so you can regain access if needed. Use a strong, unique password. Prefer a password manager to generate and store it securely. Once done, open Google account settings and review signed-in devices. Sign out anything unfamiliar to prevent active sessions from persisting. This immediate cleanup reduces risk while you proceed to add layered protections. Don't skip it, because initial access vectors are the most common attack path. Next, add multi-factor defenses. Enable two-step verification and prefer a hardware security key or an authenticator app for stronger protection than SMS. Make sure to create app passwords only for legacy clients and revoke any you no longer use to close backdoors. Then, enable detailed security alerts, email and phone prompts, so you are notified of suspicious sign-ins instantly. Once configured, these steps force attackers to bypass an additional barrier, which dramatically lowers account compromise likelihood and gives you time to respond. To finish, audit connected third-party apps and remove any that request unnecessary permissions. Least privilege matters. If you handle highly sensitive data, enroll in Google's advanced protection for maximum defense. Make sure backup codes are printed or stored in your password manager. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use the updated recovery phone or secondary email, try account recovery from a previously used device, and follow the account recovery form. If needed, patiently repeat steps and provide consistent details to verify your identity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.